How to fix echo on HyperX Cloud Alpha. Hey guys, welcome back to our tutorial. In today's video, we will talk about the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Now, if we navigate through the official article on how to fix your HyperX Cloud Alpha, you can then go ahead and see a lot of things right here. And in today's tutorial, we will go ahead and talk about the distorted audio. Audio from headset is fuzzy, muffled, or one of the ears are not outputting audio. Now from here, you can just go ahead and check for liquid spillage onto the headset speaker. There may be liquid that got into one of the ears of the headset, disrupting the output of speakers, causing crackling noise as it is interfering with the audio. Try to dry your headset off with a towel or gently shake it to remove the water. You can also disassemble the headset and carefully dry off the speaker directly with towel. Or you might have a thing that is poor connection from the audio plug or cable. First, you want to test to see if the audio or the issue is coming from your headset by testing the audio output on different devices, as it may be a fault into the device's audio jack, not the plug of the headset. If the audio distortion or constant cutting out persists, be sure to check that the audio plug is not dirty or damaged, as it may be hampering with the connection. Also check if the plug is fully connected when you plug it in into your specific devices. You can also check for any damages across the entire cable as well. Well, if that's the case, you might go ahead and look for a cable replacement on your headset. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.